Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create lookalike audience in Facebook Ads Manager using custom audience. So right now we are into Ads Manager and we have clicked on audiences in the left side toolbar, right? So we are going to create a lookalike audience over here. So we are going to click on create audience. Make sure to create a custom audience first before creating a lookalike audience. If you don't know how to create a custom audience, then visit our YouTube channel and check out the Facebook ads playlist. So here we have selected the lookalike audience, and here you just need to select the custom audience which you have created earlier, right? And we are going to look for the similar kind of audience available in any particular region or country, right? So here I have just simply searched for India, and in the source I have selected the custom audience, right? And here in the audience size you can select the audience size as well, like you can go for one or two, right? And here you can select how much similar custom audience, how much similar lookalike audience you want to create of custom audience, right? Here it is already written, a 1% lookalike consists of the people most similar to your lookalike audience source. Increasing the percentage creates a bigger and broader audience, right? You just need to click on create audience and your lookalike audience would be created in such manner. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.